Alright, this is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. Now, I'm not even done with this, but this side is not finished. Not clay barred. Well, nope, not clay barred. Not washed. This side is clay washed, clay barred, and first step to polish. Now, you can't tell the difference. Even the camera picks it up. You can see the gloss with this light right here, and the gloss of this light, how it looks faded. So that, my friends, is the beginning steps of color correction. I'm going to put this little video clip up if you guys want to see me do the rest. Maybe I'll time lapse it, kind of explain what I'm doing, what steps I take. Please leave it down in the comments, and I will show you how to do it correctly. Now, like I said, this is step one. Only step one of polish, so I should be able to get more of a sparkle out of it. As you see, I get closer, you can actually see the metal flake pop. So if you guys want to see that, let me know down in the comments, and I'll walk you through step by step and time lapse it, as well as the rest of the ski. So let me know. Out.